back to the channel. Today we have another unboxing, and this one's still unusual because it's still part of my Thanksgiving Black Friday purchase. So here's box number 3 that we're gonna look into to see what else we got on Black Friday. I bought so much on Black Friday, guys. You will be happy. You will be in love. Because most of these will be going on the store once they're completed. Yeah. Let's see. What do we have in this box? Ooh, we have a circle. Let's see how many we have in this box. Whoa, goodness. There we go. We have a bunch. Alrighty. You ready to get through this? Our first circle is Gingerbread House. See how close we can bring it up. There we go. Gingerbread House. This one is by Rosemary Berlin. It is a round and it is a 76 by 56. Our next one is another circle. It is No More Dragon Breath. See how close we can get it up. This one, of course, is a Randall Spangler. If you guys haven't learned yet, I love Randall Spangler. This one is a 56 by 56. Now, most Randall Spanglers in my collection will be done for me and not for sale. However, if you do want a Randall Spangler done for you and mounted and everything like that, just shoot me an email and say, hey, I would like to commission a Randall Spangler done by you. Lola Dream is the next one, and we can work out a deal. This one is by Christina Lore, and it is a 51 by 64 square. Now remember, we will be going through these one at a time, unboxing them, so you can see the whole canvas and everything like that at a later date. Today we're just unboxing the whole haul. The next one is a Hannah Lynn Berry Branches. And I'm beginning to fall in love with Hannah Lynn as an artist. 56 by 76. We have, whoop, my light fell. That's not nice of it, is it? Okay, we have one more circle. Oh, and it's another Randall Spangler. Just so you guys know. And it's Boo. Come on, focus in. There we go. Boo is 64 by 56. And our next square is by, okay, Sheena Pike. I hope I said that right. But it is Spring Little Dragon. I had to get it because it's in purple. You guys know how much I love purple. This is a square shaped and it is 56 by 71. Two more to go in this box. And of course we have another Randall Spangler. And this one is Technology Meltdown. With the way this year has gone, we definitely needed to get this one. And this is a 84 by 51 square. And last but not least in this unboxing, this one is by Bailey Joe, and it is The Meeting. Let's see how close we can get you. And this one is a 76 by 56. Alright, that's it for this unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Again, we will actually go over the kits and that stuff later on. Excuse me. Hope you guys have a great day. Stay safe out there. Please wear your mask. And have a blessed time.